Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can fix your device clock is set to a wrong time. You can go here and click on adjust date and time. You can also go from here, and I am using Windows 11. Here you can search for adjust date and time. Then you can select here. So first of all, you need to do that set time automatically. You can disable this option, and other thing is you can enable this one, set time zone automatically. So now it has updated this one. Second method you can use, you can go and disable this one, also disable this one, and manually you can set the time zone. So let me select my time zone, this one, and after that here we can fix the time. So let me go and search the time, this one, click on set date and time manually. And let me select PM, then click on change. So that's fine. Go here and open this website, and it's working fine.